Interested in a fancy and beautiful way to show your NFTs on any of these 43 chains? Bring the NFTs with you while safely stored on chain. In today's video, I'll review the OneKey Touch, which could be very interesting for you if you love NFTs, you enjoy showing off your NFTs, because this fancy hardware wallet have one of the most beautiful screens I've ever seen. I will do some unboxing, some setup and review, and there is also an ongoing giveaway at the end of this video. Remember, nothing I say or show is financial or investment advice. Now, the OneKey Touch is a more fancy kind of crypto hardware wallet, I think. Sure, it delivers the security of a hardware crypto wallet, similar to the OneKey Classic. But here with this one, the Touch, there is the touch screen and the showcase of your NFTs with a beautiful screen. The OneKey Touch currently costs $249, and you can see all of OneKey's products here using this link. Alright, let's unbox it and see what we can find. In the box we have the device, a USB-C cable, some seed phrase papers, and some other paper stuff. Now, the Touch device is a lot thicker than the Classic. Let's boot it up. We create a new wallet, we write down our seed phrase, and set a PIN code. Then we can go ahead and connect it to the OneKey app using Bluetooth, and the app is totally free. Right away when I connected the wallet, I went and updated the wallet to the latest update. As you can see, I already have the OneKey Classic connected here as well, so yes, I can have multiple hardware wallets connected at the same time. Let's check in the wallet itself. Here are some general information. Here is the NFT gallery, where you'll be able to either see or put your NFTs so that you can show them on your wallet screen. To get your NFTs to be visible in the NFT gallery, you need to download the OneKey desktop app on your computer, connect your wallet, send your NFTs to your address, and when it arrives, click on it and click Collect to Touch and verify it on your Touch wallet. And now it will be visible in your NFT gallery so that you can showcase it. And in the settings there is a Bluetooth, language, password settings. Now, in the app you have 43 different network chains that you can use, and I believe there is even more coming in the future. You can find pretty much any crypto token across these chains. If not, you can just add it manually, which is great. You can swap, bridge, all within the same app. Performing the swaps or the bridging within the app features comes with an extra 0.3% fee. But you also have the option to use Wallet Connect and connect directly to the apps and make your swaps and bridges right there, NFT purchases, and then you can avoid the 0.3% fee. Although when I did use the Wallet Connect feature myself using these two wallets, I did run into some buggy behavior where I needed to reconnect every time to have the transaction go through, but I'm sure that will get solved eventually. Here we can see some other tools that they have in their app. We see here that we have the option to send out multiple transactions in one single transaction. That is quite useful. We have direct access to Blockchain Explorer from the chain you are on. We have an NFT progress tool where we can follow our profits and losses. We also have a gas shop here, which enables you to buy the gas native token needed for the chain. I guess you can use this if you're new to crypto and don't have any other native token elsewhere that you can send to your own wallet. If you are curious about all the OneKey app's features, I recommend looking at the video where I review the OneKey Classic, which I will leave a link to right here. So let's compare the Classic to the Touch. The Classic currently costs $89 and the Touch $249. Both of these devices' main purpose is that of adding the security of a hardware wallet. The need to have the device physically near you to be able to access your crypto funds and handle them. And that can be done with the press of a button. It does not need to be more advanced or fancy than that, and it can be fixed with quite cheap products. However, aside from that, the OneKey Touch have the feature of being able to display, show off your authentic NFT while it's being safely stored on the chain. I can imagine people want to bring their NFTs with them and showcase them on a beautiful setting somewhere, take some nice photos of it. Now you can do that with the authentic NFT. Now this you might think is not a big deal, but it actually is, because NFTs will only get more and more use case from here, scanning possibilities and functions, and you need a way to show your real NFT to be able to use it. You can't just copy a JPEG picture and think it will work to verify with. Blockchain and NFT tech is there to verify the authentic ownership, and the OneKey Touch brings out a beautiful way of solving just that. I can easily see festivals later issuing their festival tickets as beautiful NFTs that you have to use to enter into the area. And also I have to mention, neither the OneKey Classic or the OneKey Touch are weatherproof. They should be kept away from steam, high humidity, water, fire and so on. So if you don't really care about NFTs, you're just looking for a place to store your crypto, then there are a lot more cheaper options than the One Key Touch. However, if you got some money to spare, you want the arguably most beautiful cold wallet out there, want to show off your NFTs, then this is probably one of the best wallets out there for that. Now, One Key, the company themselves, are giving away 2 classic wallets, one in this video and another one in the other video where I reviewed the One Key Classic. There should be a link to it right here. To be eligible for the giveaway competition, you have to like and leave a comment in this video including the word One Key, and I will randomly generate a winner based on that word. I will do that one time in this video and one time in the other video. See all the giveaway instructions and details for the competition down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.